Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make beef stroganoff. Okay, for our beef stroganoff, we're going to serve it on a bed of noodles. So this is a packet of noodles. Then this is sour cream, garlic, parsley, or of course lean cut of beef. Then this is thyme, this is rosemary, pepper powder, and then this is good nice beef broth, a cup of wine, a pound of mushrooms, and half an onion. For all the measurements of this recipe, look at the description box below. Okay, so this is our noodles. What I usually do is, the packet says 8 minutes. So what I do is simmer this for 5 minutes and then let it sit in the water for another 3 minutes and then drain all the water out. Okay, so for our beef stroganoff, I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of oil and saute my beef first. Let it get hot, nice. You need it very hot so you can brown your beef really nice and it can cinch. Now for this cut, we have taken lean ribeye meat. You can also cut some nice tenderloin. Okay, now my meat is, my pan is nice and hot, and I'm going to add this. They usually say don't crowd the pan, but in this case, what you need to do is on high heat, just brown this meat or cinch this meat real fast. So do this only for 1 minute and you'll know it's brown on all sides, and then you can take it off from the fire. Okay, to this I'm going to add my pepper, my rosemary, and thyme. Brown it for another minute and then take it off. Okay, turn it out, just take it off in a separate container like that. And the same pan, I'm going to saute my mushrooms now. Okay, to the same pan, when it's really hot, we'll add your onions and mushrooms and saute it on high heat. Okay, let it brown. You want to brown it, not sweat it out too much. Okay, so for it to not sweat, on high heat, I'm gonna keep it covered so the mushrooms are nice and brown. So I had it covered for 1 minute on a high heat. Oh, the aroma is so good. So just brown the mushrooms really well with the onions. Okay, I'm going to keep it covered for another minute or so. Okay, it's another minute. I'm going to saute this on high heat again. See, it's already sweating, so you got to take this off now. Okay, so let's take this off from the heat. On the same pan, I'm going to put my beef. Saute this a little bit. Okay, so to this, I'm going to add some flour. Okay, this is called making a roux. This is, move this around nice and brown it a bit on high heat. The aroma is amazing. This is how it becomes when it's a tender beef. It goes so well, so fast. To this, I'm going to add my wine. And now also some stock. And we're going to reduce this. To this also, I'm going to add my garlic. Now let it simmer for about 5 minutes and reduce this to a nice thick consistency. Okay, so it's about 8 minutes where this has been slowly simmering. Now what happens with this slowly simmer, the wine really goes into the sauce, right? And it's now thick. To this, now I'm going to add my mushrooms and high heat now. Cook it only for maybe a minute or so. So those mushrooms also envelop into the sauce. Watch out because this will leave water, so you gotta cook it on very high heat. Okay, so now I'm going to add some salt to taste. Now remember, we put some broth in it, and that could also be salty, so always watch out for your salt. So just simmer this and just let it thicken a little bit more, and it's almost there. Okay, so now our dish is ready. It's nice and simmered. Everything's good. The sauce is nice. Now what we got to do is cool this down a little bit, and then I'm going to add you can either add yogurt or you can add sour cream to it, okay? That's the most important thing of beef stroganoff, the sour cream at the end, which makes it really nice to taste. Okay guys, so now our pan has cooled off a little bit, and this is where you're gonna put your sour cream. I beat my sour cream really good, so it'll be easy to mix in it, okay? So now all you do is just gently, this is the nice deliciousness of this fantastic beef stroganoff recipe, the sour cream which goes into it. Voila, here's our beef stroganoff. Enjoy this delicious recipe. Okay, so we're all out to serve our fantastic beef stroganoff, which is always served on a bed of nice noodles or pasta. And there you are. Just put all the sauce in it because the sauce will actually envelop the noodles and make it very nice and tasty. Here you go, and then just top it off with some nice fresh parsley. Voila, here's our beef stroganoff. Hi guys, now for the best thing, the taste test, the beef stroganoff taste test. Let me taste the beef. Amazing. The sauce is really nice and silky, and the beef has become tender. Now, if you want to add wine or not add wine, that is left up to you. But the wine really makes it really nice and tender because of the vinegar kind of consistency in the sauce. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!